Welcome to CB Dynamics 365 Seamless Attachment Extractor. Using Dynamics 365 is great until you reach the storage space limit. Contracts, Excel spreadsheets, and so on occupy up to 70% of your CRM and compromise its performing capacity. This ready-to-use solution by connecting software ensures optimal performance of your CRM, enables great document management and team collaboration, and improves the GDPR compliance. This solution transfers attachments from Dynamics 365 to a document management system of your choice, SharePoint, Azure Blob, or Azure File Storage. Let Dynamics 365 manage customer relations. While our app stores files in systems designed for that, your team will enjoy a great document collaboration experience and forget about the CRM system slowdown. Happy CRM users, happy customers. Return on investment guaranteed. Most importantly, together with the data regulation compliance, this software provides the strongest security compared to other solutions, as your documents and files always stay within your own environment. Contact us today and try CB Dynamics 365 Seamless Attachment Extractor for free.